Here, my friend, place your initial right at the top.
Welcome. You made it. Welcome. Hello there. Happy anniversary?
Just married.
Just married. Congratulations. Did you know he was force sensitive when you married him? You're something to find out. Now, to some of you, this may look like a lot of old junk, but let me assure you, some of it is new junk. We do this on purpose. We call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the galaxy for ancient relics and the forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets, and what we find, we bring here. So where a stormtrooper might see worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may well ensure a future. How many of you have heard the legend of Luke Skywalker? Excellent. We have too. And now we hear there is another, a new Jedi, one who started off as a scrapper, like us. Do any of you know her name? Rey. Yes, Rey. What Rey is leading right now, it's the spark of hope that we've been waiting for, planning for. That's why you are here. To build a lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our galaxy's greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. Building a lightsaber is a work of art. The saber is a reflection of its builder with the force flowing between them. Today, you will feel that connection. But not if I keep talking. We start with the most important part of the lightsaber, the kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the force to magnify it. Some have called the kyber crystal the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal reveals the color of the blade. You may recognize some of these from the great Jedi heroes of history. The blue crystal, wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful, like the crystal wielded by Mace Windu. Red. It has been called the color of power, the crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader. And now, Kylo Ren. But these are stories of the past. We are here for you in the future. It's time for you to choose your kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. Builders, close your eyes. In your mind's eye, I want you to picture crystals of all the colors that we've talked about. One of these crystals shines brighter than all the others. This is your crystal. Now open your eyes and take your kyber crystal. Remember, your crystal, alive in the Force, is also choosing you. Excellent. Now take your kyber crystals and place them on the green crystal holder in front of you. Because now it's time to join your crystals to the lightsaber design that you've selected. It's time to build the hilt of your lightsaber. This is the foundation of the blade. It is your center of control. It's the part that keeps your hands from being disintegrated. In the box in front of you, you'll find all the parts that you've chosen. Now these parts will come from across the stars to be here in this moment for you right now. Now we'll lead you through the proper process in which to build your saber in a moment. First, let's talk about what's in the box in front of you. From the left, you have your chassis. Then 2 rows of grips, your emitters, your pommel caps, and then 2 matched pair of activation plates. Now, building a lightsaber is a personal journey, just as you chose your kyber crystal. Now, you're going to choose each individual part that makes up your own unique saber. The gatherers will lead you in this process, so listen to them carefully. Let's build! You have built the hilt of your lightsaber, and nothing unexpected or traumatic has happened. Because this is the dangerous part. Everyone leave your sabers at your stations. Move as far back from me as you can. Because right now, the gatherers need to step in and they need to insert your lightsaber hilts into the crystal stabilization chamber. You have to stabilize the crystal for activation. This is quite a dangerous process. If something is misaligned, we can have a large expansion of energy in a short amount of time, otherwise known as an explosion. I'm going to send a signal now. What's happening?
Many parts there were now joined they are. Yes, lightsaber. It begins. It is time. Your journey.
Master Yoda. It is indeed time to take that next step. Builders, we have reached the final part of the process. The bond between builder and saber is about to be forged. In a moment, I will ask you each to step forward, place your hand in the hilt of your lightsaber, and then on my signal, all together, we will activate it. Are you ready?
Yes.
Step forward. Hand on your saber. Activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and Sith who came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes the spark. Please deactivate your sabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Light you way it can, but lead you it cannot. Your journey, you both begin. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Builders, in your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should never be dropped on the ground. So to help protect your new lightsabers, we're pleased to present each of you with a saber sheath as you depart. Now, our time together is at an end. But your journey is only beginning. It's time for you to make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are each as unique and extraordinary as the lightsaber you have created. And who knows, maybe next time we'll be telling you a story. To the spire.
To the spire.
All right, builders, we're gonna exit out this room right over here.